To add a video effect, go to the effects panel. If you don't see that, you can go to the icon here and select the effects. You'll see a couple of folders. You can go to the video effects folder. There are a wide variety of effects which you can add to a video. Let's search for the noise effect. Noise. You can go down. You can see the noise and grain folder. Under this you can see the noise effect. Let's drag and drop this onto the clip. To view this effect on the clip, go to the effects controls panel and go down. You can see that the effect is applied here. Noise effect. Currently the effect is not applied. You have to change the value. So let's change the value of the amount of noise. Increase it. You can see that the change is reflected on the video. As we increase, the noise is increasing. To reset this, you can click on the button and give 0. Do the same thing by clicking on the reset parameter button here. Let's increase this. You can turn on and off the effect here in the effects button. You can click on it to turn it off and on. Okay, now let's add another effect. Let's add a Gaussian blur. Search for blur. Go down to this and select the Gaussian blur. Drag and drop it onto the clip. So you can see Gaussian blur is added. Let's increase the blurriness. The video is become blurry. Reset it. Increase both of this thing. Let's copy and paste these effects to another video. Let's select both the effects and hit the Command C button, then the Command V button. Now the effects is copied to both of these clips.